Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to publish the app and share it out as well. So when your app is completed and you're happy with it and it's ready to go, so you come up to the top here, top right, and there's an icon here that says publish. So if you click that, you can then publish your app. And you'd also want to share it out if you've got other users. So you click this button here that says share. That will drop you into this little section, and you would type a name or an email address of the person you want to share it with. Now you can only share it with people who are in the same tenant as you, so providing they've got an account set up, then they'll show up here. So I selected a name, and if you click this box here, they'll get an invitation email sent to them automatically. Up here is where you can enter that email message. So you could say that I've just given you access to this app, and it will provide a link as well for them. If you don't want to send an email, just uncheck that. You can also set them up as a co-owner like yourself if you've created the app yourself. If you make them a co-owner, then they can edit the application and make changes to it. And you'll also need to give them permission to the data source that you've used in the application. And all you do, if you're happy, is that you just click on the share button here. That's done. So if I come to my Excel worksheet here, I'd also need to give them access to this data source so that when they run Powerapps, they'll be able to add, save data, view data, whatever. So you've got a share button here, and if you click that, you'll be able to share it out to whoever you want to have access to this data source when they're running Powerapps. So now we can run the app. So all we need to do now is click on the play button. And here's my app. So if I click on employees, let's see, there it is. And this is how it's going to look on our mobile phone. Another thing I can do, which I forgot to do earlier, is to actually get rid of this button here, this save button. We don't need to save anything on this form. Let's get rid of that. And we can just move this along here perhaps. So now that we've finished the app and shared it out and published it, we're now ready to push this across to our mobile device. So in the next video, I'll show you how to put this app onto your phone. And if you want to watch the other parts of this Powerapps Excel tutorial, you'll find the links just below this video in the description. If you like this video, please click the button to like it, or why not subscribe to my channel? Or you can even download my free Powerapps for Newbies book at www.powerappsfornewbies.com.